In the age of technology, could your computer be the next battleground? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? But that's precisely what's happening right now in the world of information warfare. With every passing day, as we become more interconnected and reliant on technology, the landscape of conflict is shifting from physical battlefields to digital ones. This new battleground, the internet, is vast and boundless. It's a place where nations, corporations, and individuals are waging war, not with bullets and bombs, but with data and code. This is the era of cyber warfare. Now you might be wondering, what exactly does cyber warfare entail? Well, at its core, it's about exploiting vulnerabilities in computer systems to gain unauthorized access, disrupt operations, or steal sensitive information. Be it a government's secret files, a corporation's proprietary technology, or an individual's personal data, everything is a potential target. But here's the kicker. The consequences of successful cyber attacks aren't confined to the digital realm. They can have very real physical repercussions. An attack on a power grid could plunge cities into darkness. A breach in a hospital system could put lives at risk. The stakes couldn't be higher, and that's where cybersecurity comes into play. It's the frontline defense against these digital threats. It's about protecting our systems, our data, and ultimately, our way of life. But who are these digital soldiers, these guardians of the cyber realm? They're ethical hackers, individuals who use their skills not for malicious intent, but to uncover vulnerabilities and strengthen defenses. Their job is to think like the attackers, to anticipate their moves, and to beat them at their own game. In this game of cat and mouse, the roles are constantly evolving, the strategies ever-changing. But one thing is certain, the battlefield is here on our screens, in the lines of code that run our world. And so, as we delve deeper into the digital age, the line between physical and cyber warfare is becoming increasingly blurred. But who guards the guardians? Enter the world of ethical hacking. In this realm, heroes don't don capes or wield magical weapons. Instead, they arm themselves with knowledge of codes, systems, and networks, using their powers to guard the digital universe. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, flips the narrative on its head. Here, hackers are not the villains, but the protectors. They are the digital locksmiths who test the strength of our locks, ensuring that they can withstand the onslaught of those who mean harm. These skilled individuals use their expertise to find and fix vulnerabilities in systems before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. It's a bit like a game of hide and seek, where the ethical hacker seeks out the hidden weaknesses within a system, patches them up, and in doing so, ensures our digital safety. To illustrate the importance of ethical hacking, let's delve into a case study. A few years back, a major financial institution was the target of a planned cyber attack. Their systems, if breached, would have resulted in the loss of millions of sensitive customer data points. Thankfully, an ethical hacker, working as part of the institution's cybersecurity team, identified a critical vulnerability in their system. This flaw, if exploited, could have allowed the cybercriminals to bypass the security measures in place. By identifying and patching this vulnerability, the ethical hacker prevented a potential digital catastrophe. This story highlights a crucial aspect of ethical hacking. It's not just about preventing attacks, but also about proactively seeking out vulnerabilities and fixing them. Ethical hackers are the unsung heroes of the digital world, tirelessly working behind the scenes to ensure our data remains safe and secure. In a world where information is power, ethical hacking serves as our first line of defense against cyber threats. They are the digital sentinels, ever watchful, always ready, safeguarding our digital realm from those who seek to exploit it. So where does this leave us in the future of information warfare? As we delve deeper into the digital age, the landscape of information warfare continues to evolve at a rapid pace. The weapons of this warfare are not missiles or tanks, but lines of code and malicious software designed to infiltrate, disrupt, and even destroy. In this ever-changing battlefield, the role of ethical hackers or white hat hackers becomes increasingly critical. These are the individuals who use their skills not for personal gain or to cause damage, but to protect. They are the digital knights, safeguarding our data and systems from those with nefarious intentions. Yet, As the demand for their skills grows, so too does the complexity and sophistication of the threats they face. In the face of these challenges, the future of ethical hacking presents both formidable trials and exciting opportunities. The trials lie in the constant race against time, the need to stay one step ahead of those who seek to exploit vulnerabilities in our systems. The opportunities, however, are vast. As our reliance on digital systems continues to grow, so too does the demand for professionals who can secure these systems. Yet for ethical hacking to truly take its place as a legitimate and necessary profession, we must promote education and awareness. We need to dispel the myth that all hackers are criminals and show the world that hacking can be a force for good. We need to foster an environment that encourages curiosity and innovation, where individuals are empowered to use their skills to make the digital world a safer place. In the future, we can expect to see a growing emphasis on ethical hacking in education, with more courses and degrees dedicated to this field. We can also anticipate a greater recognition of ethical hackers in the professional world, with more organizations investing in these vital cybersecurity roles. In the battle of information warfare, ethical hackers are the unsung heroes, constantly fighting to keep our data safe. To sum up, information warfare is the new reality of our digital age. We've delved deep into the digital battlefield, where information is both a shield and a sword. In this arena, ethical hacking emerges as a necessary evil, a countermeasure to the looming cyber threats and a protector of our vital data. We've also glimpsed the future of information warfare, a future that will be shaped and defined by the innovative strategies and tactics of ethical hackers. These individuals are not just tech enthusiasts, but guardians of the virtual frontier, dedicated to combating cyber threats and ensuring the integrity of our information systems. The importance of ethical hacking in this dynamic landscape cannot be overstated. It is the key to understanding and countering the ever-evolving threats that loom in the cyber world. As we move forward, it's crucial to recognize the role of ethical hackers in safeguarding our digital world. After all, in information warfare, knowledge is our greatest weapon.